Have you ever logged into your Gemini account only to be met with a frustrating message, "Your account is locked"? The sinking feeling, the immediate panic, especially when your hard-earned crypto is involved, it's something no one wants to experience. But in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, account security is paramount, and sometimes those security measures can lead to temporary lockouts. So, what exactly triggers a Gemini account lock, and more importantly, what can you do to regain access swiftly and securely? It's a common misconception that an account lock automatically means something sinister has happened. While a compromise is certainly a possibility we'll address, more often than not, a locked Gemini account is a protective measure. Think of it as Gemini's automated guardian, stepping in to shield your assets from potential threats or even just unusual activity. Understanding these common triggers is the first step towards a quick resolution. One of the most frequent culprits is suspicious login activity. This could be as simple as you logging in from a new device, a different IP address than usual, or even a foreign country if you happen to be traveling. Gemini's security system is designed to detect these deviations from your typical login patterns. If it sees you accessing your account from, say, Nigeria 1 minute and then suddenly from Canada the next, it's going to flag that as unusual and potentially lock the account as a precaution. This is less about punishing you and more about preventing unauthorized access. Clearing your browser's cookies and cache can also sometimes make your login appear new to the system, triggering a temporary hold. Another common reason is multiple failed login attempts. We've all been there, trying to remember a password, entering it incorrectly a few times in a row. For your security, Gemini will lock your account after a certain number of incorrect password or two-factor authentication, 2FA, entries. This is to prevent brute force attacks where malicious actors try to guess your credentials. It's a necessary security feature, but it can be a minor inconvenience when you're just having an off day with your memory. Password resets also often trigger a temporary lock on withdrawals. If you've recently reset your Gemini password, especially if you had forgotten it, Gemini implements a cooldown period, typically 72 hours, before you can withdraw digital assets. This is an industry-standard security measure designed to give you time to react if someone else has gained unauthorized access and changed your password. It prevents an attacker from immediately draining your funds after a successful password compromise. Similarly, if you've recently added a new Authy device or changed your 2FA method, a similar withdrawal hold may be placed as a protective measure. Beyond these common, often innocuous, reasons, there are more serious scenarios that can lead to an account lock. Suspected unauthorized access or account compromise is a major one. If Gemini detects activity that strongly suggests your account has been breached, like large, unusual withdrawals to an unknown address, or attempts to change critical security settings, they will immediately lock the account to prevent further damage. This is where their proactive security systems truly shine, acting as a last line of defense for your holdings. Violation of Gemini's terms of service can also result in an account lock, or even a permanent suspension. This can range from engaging in prohibited activities, such as money laundering, to providing false information during identity verification, or operating from a restricted jurisdiction. While these are less common for the average user, it's crucial to be aware of the terms you agree to when using any financial platform. Finally, pending verification or registration issues can cause your account to be locked or have limited functionality. If you haven't fully completed the Know Your Customer (KYC) process, or if there are discrepancies in the information you've provided, Gemini might restrict your account until these issues are resolved. This is part of their regulatory compliance to prevent fraud and ensure a secure environment for all users. Now that we understand why your account might be locked, let's get into the actionable steps you need to take to unlock it and regain full control. This process can sometimes feel daunting, but by following a structured approach, you can navigate it efficiently. The absolute first thing you should do, regardless of the reason for the lock, is to check your email associated with your Gemini account. Gemini will almost always send a notification explaining why your account was locked and what steps you need to take. This email is your primary source of information and will guide your initial actions. Look in your inbox, spam, and junk folders. The subject line might be something like important security alert regarding your Gemini account or action required. Your Gemini account has been locked. Once you've located the email, carefully read the details. It might simply ask you to verify a new device by clicking a link, or it might instruct you to contact support for a more complex issue. If it's a simple device authorization, make sure you click the link from the same device and browser you are trying to use. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Always verify that the email is genuinely from Gemini by checking the sender's email address and looking for any suspicious links or requests for personal information beyond what Gemini would typically ask. The legitimate Gemini website will always be Gemini.com or exchange.gemini.com. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.